What if I told you the difference between rich and broke often comes down to habits you don't even realize you're repeating? The wealthy don't just earn more, they think, move, and respond differently. These aren't secrets, they're systems. Here are 18 habits the wealthy practice automatically and how you can steal every single one. For each, I'll give you a real example and a tip you can use today. Habit 1. They pay themselves first. This means before bills, before splurges, before taxes, they set aside wealth. For example, Warren Buffett started saving a portion of every dollar he earned as a child. Tip: set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every payday, even if it's just $10. Habit 2. They track every dollar. The wealthy treat every dollar like an employee. If it's not working, it's getting fired. Oprah Winfrey famously tracked her spending even after becoming a millionaire. Tip: use a free budgeting app to monitor your money daily. Habit 3. They avoid lifestyle creep. When income goes up, lifestyle doesn't. For example, Mark Zuckerberg still drives a modest car despite his billions. Tip: when you get a raise, increase your investments, not your spending. Habit 4. They read every day. Finance, psychology, history. The wealthy build mental models while others scroll. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Tip: read 10 pages of a non-fiction book each morning. Habit 5. They say no more than yes. Discipline is subtraction. Steve Jobs was known for his relentless focus and saying no to distractions. Tip: protect your calendar, schedule time for what matters most. Habit 6. They delay gratification. New phone, vacation, luxury, later. Wealthy people sacrifice now for 10x returns later. Example: Elon Musk reinvested his early PayPal earnings into new ventures instead of splurging. Tip: wait 30 days before any big purchase. Habit 7. They automate everything. Investing, saving, bill paying, decisions are made once, then made automatic. Example: many millionaires use auto-investing apps. Tip: set up auto-pay for your bills and investments. Habit 8. They value their time ruthlessly. $10 task, outsourced. $1,000 task, their focus. Example: Jeff Bezos delegates low-value tasks to maximize his impact. Tip: list your top 3 priorities each day. Habit 9. They sleep like it's a job. 7-8 hours. No badge of honor for burnout. Arianna Huffington built a company around the power of sleep. Tip: set a bedtime alarm to protect your rest. Habit 10. They surround themselves with owners. Their friends own businesses, not excuses. Example: Richard Branson credits his network of entrepreneurs for his success. Tip: join a mastermind or business group. Habit 11. They don't trust trends, they trust math. Crypto, meme stocks, hype. They want boring, predictable, proven. Example: Warren Buffett invests in companies with a long track record. Tip: research before you invest, look for consistency. Habit 12. They move quietly. You won't see it on Instagram. They don't announce wealth, they stack it. Example: many millionaires live in average neighborhoods. Tip: let your results speak for you. Habit 13. They plan weekly, not yearly. They zoom in. What happens this week determines their trajectory. Example: top CEOs review their goals every Sunday. Tip: set aside 15 minutes each week to plan. Habit 14. They focus on inputs, not outcomes. They can't control results, but they can control their habits, process, and effort. Example: Serena Williams focuses on daily practice, not just winning. Tip: track your daily actions, not just your goals. Habit 15. They invest in themselves first. Courses, coaching, books, every dollar they invest in their brain pays dividends. Example: Tony Robbins spent his last $35 on a seminar that changed his life. Tip: invest in a course or book this month. Habit 16. They know when to pivot. Stuck? They don't double down on failure, they switch fast and never let ego sink their ship. Example: Netflix pivoted from DVDs to streaming and dominated. Tip: if something isn't working, try a new approach. Habit 17. They use fear as a signal. Fear means they're about to grow. They walk toward it, not away. Example: Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx, credits her success to embracing fear. Tip: do one thing that scares you this week. Habit 18. They repeat what works. Wealthy people aren't constantly reinventing the wheel. They find what works, and then do it until it's boring. Example: Ray Dalio attributes his success to following proven principles. Tip: double down on your strengths. Most of these habits, they don't require genius, just intention. The wealthy don't win by luck. They win by consistency. The real question is, how many of these habits are already in your life? Start small, start now, and make millions on purpose.